Here A is equal to ABC, BCA, CAB. ABC is equal to 1. A transpose A is equal to I. You have to find the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Now this is JEE question. Previous year JEE question. So you got the answer. See here. The condition is given ABC is equal to 1. This we will use it. A transpose A equal to I. This is very important condition here. A transpose A. So let us take first A matrix. Already you have A transpose, you find out. A transpose is row become column, column will become row. So what I get here, A, B, C. This row became column. B, C, A, C, A, B. Yes, Siddharth, understood. A, B, C, this is the this is a matrix, right? So this row I made into column. This row I made into column. This row I made into column. So this is called transpose of the matrix. So A transpose into A. A transpose into A is equal to I they given. A transpose into A means what is A here? A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B into A. What is A here? Achha, A transpose is A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. Okay. Same. So A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. Okay. Now we have to multiply this both, and this is equal to I have to write. So if I multiply this both, multiplication you know, no? So according to multiplication, A into A square, B into B plus B square, plus C into C square I will get. Okay, this is over row by column and row by column. A into B, AB, B into C, BC, C into A, CA. Next one, A into C, AC, B into A, AB, and C into B, CB. I multiplied row by column, row by column, row by column. Now again row by column. B into A, B, row by column, second. B into B, B square. B into B, B square. C into C, C square. A into A square. You know? If you don't know, I will do one thing. You close these all, only you do this one. A into A, B into B, C into C, B into A. I wrote wrong? Huh? No? Yeah, A into B, B into C. Yeah. This I multiplied. Next, B into A, B into. What I have done? Wait. Row by column. Okay, thus I did. Row by column. I wrote this one. Now B into A, BA. Right? That is only. See what you get here. Row by column. This one finished. Then row by column down. So A into B, AB plus C into B, BC plus A into C, AC. Done. Now C into A, CA plus C into B, CB plus what I have done? Again what I am doing? C into A, CA. What I am doing? A into B, AB and B into C, BC. Okay. Next here A into B, AB, B into C, BC, C into A, CA. Now B into B, B square. Okay, C into C, C square plus A into A square. Correct? Now C into B, CB, row by column. A into C, AC, B into A, AB. Right? After this here, third one. A into C, AC, A into B, AB, C into B, CB, B into C, BC, B into C, C into A, and A into B. Next, C into C, C square, A into A square, B into B, B square. That is equal to, I can be written as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Right? These two matrices are equal. Okay. These both matrices are equal and their corresponding elements are equalated. So if you equalate what I get here, A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1 I am going to get. I am equalating them, okay. This is equal to 1 and I am getting AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0 I am getting. Okay. So what I got here, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. A square plus B square plus C square equal to 1. I got, if equalating anywhere, you get the same thing. So you get as A square plus B square plus C square equal to 1. AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. And they given ABC is equal to 1. Asking to find what? A cube plus B cube plus C cube. What is the formula? A cube plus B cube plus C cube? A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to, what is the formula? A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Correct? This is the formula. Is this his formula? Correct? Correct or wrong? What do you know? A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C whole cube minus 2 into AB plus BC. Okay, all right, but is this? I am not wrong. See here, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. This is formula. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube 3 into ABC, they given 1. Okay, A plus B plus C is how much? A plus B plus C, I got 1, right? No, we didn't get anything. A plus B plus C is same as it is. A square plus B square plus C square is 1. If I take minus common, AB plus BC plus CA, I am going to get, correct? AB plus BC plus CA value is how much? 0. And this value is A plus B plus C into 1 minus 0 is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Actually, A plus B plus C you want? You know the formula, A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. A plus B plus C whole square formula, na? What do you say? Right? So A square plus B square plus C square is how much? 1. Plus 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA, 0. So this value is how much? 1. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 1. So A plus B plus C is equal to 1. Plus minus 1, you can take it. Yes. So A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 1. So A plus B plus C is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, all right. So A cube plus B cube value will be becomes what here? 1 into 1 or minus 1 into 1. So the answer is what? Plus or minus 1. Understood what I said? Is it clear, this total? Any doubts? Yes, sir?
So now I know the formula of a plus b plus c whole cube.
A plus b plus c whole cube, but I want a cube plus b cube plus c cube.
Yeah, but the same formulas come, like I think the formulas we say.
Good morning. This is wrong formula. How will be a cube plus b cube plus c cube? Just we will apply some little bit knowledge. A plus b plus c whole cube you have. Do you know the formula of a plus b plus c whole cube? If you know, suppose by binomial theorem you have learned it. Binomial theorem you applied, suppose. But that all other terms should be subtracted, na? Do you think only these things only will come? You have to get a cube plus b cube plus c cube, right? So then how? You cannot use this. You are saying which one, you know? Whole square formula you are saying. Yeah, you are doing a square. So then you are telling about square, not cube. Correct? Fine. So this board is not appearing completely while teaching. Yeah, now it is okay. Right, fine, understood. This is JE question, okay? Any doubts here? Anybody? Anyone have any doubts? Correction. See, minus 3 was here, na? So here plus 1 I take. Plus 1 if I take. A plus B plus C is plus 1 if I take. Then here I am going to get, this is plus 1. So can I erase and write? So here a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to minus 3, send this side plus 3, okay? So this is equal to 1 or minus 1 chance. To get is 1 as minus 1, right? Either you get plus or minus 1, right? A square plus b square plus c square is 1, then that's okay. I am right? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 1 plus 3, I get 1 4, and another one is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to minus 1 plus 3, 4 and 2, 4 2. Let's discuss. See here, if P is a 3 by 3 matrix such that is saying that P transpose equal to 2P plus I, where P, this is indicates transpose is said, there exists a column matrix X, that is X, Y, Z, which is not equal to 0 matrix. Okay, then you have to prove which is correct. Okay, so what we do here, first take the given point here. What they given, P transpose is equal to, they given that, this is JE question, okay? P transpose equal to 2P plus I they given. Okay, apply transpose on both sides. So P transpose whole transpose is equal to 2P plus I whole transpose. Applying transpose. Properties I explained, transpose properties. A transpose whole transpose is what? A. So P transpose whole transpose is what? P. Okay. Now if you have A plus B whole transpose, what is A plus B whole transpose? A transpose plus B transpose. So what I get here? 2P transpose plus I transpose. Correct? Now you get as P is equal to, you know that Ka whole transpose is equal to what? Ka whole transpose is equal to K bahar A transpose, like 2 bahar P transpose, plus what is the I transpose value? I. Okay, identity transpose is I itself. So I means identity transpose is, suppose 1 0, see है ना, 1 0 0 1, you transpose this, you get 1 0 0 1, right? So what you got here, P is equal to 2 into, what is PT transpose value? 2P plus I. 2P plus I. What we are doing is, our aim is to remove the transpose. We have to remove that. So 2P plus I I can write. So P is equal to what here? 4P plus 2I plus I. Correct? Right, sir? Siddharth. Right? So can I write this as 3P, right? Minus 3P is equal to 3I. 2I plus I is how much? 3I. Okay? You know, no? Then 3 yes, 3 gets cancelled. P is equal to minus I can write. Now I have to get which is correct. So what I do here, multiply x on both sides. Okay, multiply x on both sides. Multiply x on both sides. So what I get here, Px is equal to minus I into x. See, P into x, Px, we don't know, Px only we can write. I into x. See, any matrix, if you multiply with I, you get the same matrix. I will explain now properties, okay? I will explain right now. So, AI into A is equal to how much you get? A. So, I into x is, I get how much? Minus x. So, D.